Hello guys, we got a cake for people.
DIY cake. DIY cake because it's not real cake, but
DIY cakes. Look, it's tasty.
it's just a bread.
And the candle is in the middle.
Ooh.
It's yum. And yeah, di pa, look.
Some barbecues.
Yeah, barbecue.
For our Tito's birthday.
Yeah, because it's her birthday.
It's his birthday.
Yeah, it's his birthday. And we brought some chicken joy.
Yeah,
Yeah, for
gravy. Wait lang, ito nila yung gravy.
gilain na mo tong gravy.
See,
We
ako
got
na kayo.
some chicken joy.
Saan ako ba?
And we got some gravy. And we are not eating this if
Yeah.
Tito is not in here yet. Yaon na siya na di.
work.
Oh? Moni, wala sa money si Tito mo? No?
I guess 9.
Mutago ako sa portahan. Alas 9.
This is our simple celebration.
Mama, kung bitaw. Tito ma.
Barbecues. Wait. Barbecues. So yummy.
This is the...
Some-
Ay, ito.
Wait.
No.
Some. Oh. This is made of Ash Kendrick Grishano. Made by Ash Kendrick Grishano.
Yeah, I made it by myself.
Yeah. We bought it at the
Supermarket?
Talipapa. And he just decorated it and
Look,
make
this.
it as a cake. Converted into a cake. And that one is a...
Chicken joy.
Ooh, that's yummy, I guess. Times dito. Oh, yummy naman. Hindi naman takawala na dito eh. May nagkaon. Oh, wait natin dito. Oh! Bili na ito si Papa niyo for tomorrow.
Yan, di ako.
Okay. Ayaw, patong ako. Patong.
Hi.
Mamala sa takuluban. Cover it.
Di para dili kami malaway.
And let's just wait for our birthday.
Tito.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Imang pa birthday. Yan pa. Chicken joy.
Dagkote. Dagkote na.